welcome to another video. So today I have had a parcel just arrive. This is a friend mail from my buddy Aggie. I'm pretty sure all you guys know Aggie. Channel name Unpolished by Aggie. If there is any very little chance that any of you guys don't know Aggie, I'm going to leave her YouTube channel and social media in my description box, and I'll also put them in the comments as well. This chick has come so far in such little time. She has done amazing. Her channel is growing super quick. Her nail art is just on point. So proud of her. So yeah, Aggie's sent me a friend mail. So shall we have a look, see what she sent? So the first thing is this gorgeous zebra print folder. Love that. So cute. And Aggie's just recently sorted all her folders out, and she's now got all matching folders. And I wanted to resort mine out because the storage case what I use to store all my stuff in is too small to store the big A4 folders. So I really wanted some of these smaller ones. So these are ideal for me. And she sent me two of them, bless her heart. This one's even smaller. Look at this one. And it's actually a card holder, but look at all the compartments that you've got. Now that's going to be ideal. That's only half of them, look. All those. So that's going to be ideal for my foils. My foils are going to look smart. And then you can obviously back to back them as well. That's going to be perfect for my foils. Thank you, chick. And she has sent me all these decals. Ooh. Should we have a look at these decals? I've been dying to see these. So Aggie's recently started making her own decals, and she's made me some. Oh, I love them. Look at those. These are so smart. I love these. They are really smart. Love them. So we've got them ones. Oh, they're cute. Look at these Minnie Mouse. Oh, I love the leopard print dress. They are so pretty. I love them. Look at them Louis Vuitton ones. They are so cute. I'm thinking about doing a Louis Vuitton set today, actually. I love these. Look at these with the leopard print tongue. They're smart, aren't they? They're really nice sizes as well. Really like the size of them. We've got some Betty Boop. Ooh. I've seen a Betty Boop set actually that I want to do. So I'll be using them for sure. Oh, look at them. They're cool. Now, I don't know whether that's supposed to be blue. I've got a feeling it's not supposed to be. But I actually like how that fades into blue. Because that one's not doing it, so I'm guessing it's not supposed to do that. But I like it. I like it anyway. Oh, we've got another Louis Vuitton Mickey Mouse. Oh, that one's a little bit smaller, look. Cool. Oh, look at these. Look at these little gonks. With the love hearts, look. Oh, they're cute. They'd have been wicked for Valentine's Day. That'd have been great. Now, I love these. Now, look at the length for these guys. These are perfect if you want to do some extra long designer nails. It's not very often you see decals that are a great size for long nails, you know. A lot of the full cover ones, they're only about that long. So they're going to be perfect. I've not got any that sort of size. Cool. They're cute. They're giving me kind of neon sign vibes. Again, a really nice size as well. So I love these zebra print Mickey heads. Well, they're smaller as well. Yeah, I like them. I prefer these smaller ones, to be honest. Oh, I got some pink Playboy bunnies. They're cute. Oh, I got an itty bitty Louis Vuitton Minnie Mouse. Look at that. That's so cool. I really like these. Oh, then we got the Mickey one that size. Oh, these are so smart. Look at these. Oh, I love them. This is so cool. I wish I'd had that for a 420 set. I'm definitely using that next year, without a doubt. Look how much more vibrant these are as well. You compare these to these, look. So vibrant. That actually looks more like a sticker than it does a decal. It's that vibrant. I love this. That is smart. Yeah, I can't wait to use those. Then she sent me another bag. She said these aren't great. She said to throw them away if I don't want them, but I'll still use them anyway. I think this was before she got some new ink, and these come out a little bit faded. So we've got these. It would have been great for those pop art nails what I did. They're not that faded really though. Not as faded as what I thought they was going to be when she told me about them. Oh, I love these. Now these are my favourite. Look at these Gucci ones. Oh, I love them. I really, really like them. I've got to do a nude set with those ASAP. We've got some skulls. They're cool. Got some more pop art. They would have been perfect for that pop art set, wouldn't they? And we've got some more minis. See, look at the difference between that and that. That just shows the difference in quality of ink, doesn't it? They're the same image, look. These are not too bad though. You could get away with these on probably a pastel set or something. I'll try them anyway, see how I get on with them. And then last but not least, we've got these ones. They're cool as well. I love them. Especially this one. Really cool. Oh, I really like them, chick. Thank you so much. And we've got some Pine Polygel. I can't wait to see what this is like. So this Polygel is, the brand is called Pine. It's actually the same company as the Umik on Amazon. A lot of you guys have probably already heard of the Umik gel polishes. I use them quite a lot in my videos. I really like them. I'm dying to see what their polygel's like because their gel polishes are really, really nice. Oh, and that looks really nice and opaque as well and creamy. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I think I'm going to use that today, actually. Yeah, I've got to use that in a set today. So that's the pink. That's the white. Again, looks like a really nice opaque white. I'm dying to see what their clear's like. I'm dying to try and find a super clear polygel. You know, so I can encapsulate glitters and things. Let's see what this clear looks like. Not really going to know until I swatch it, to be honest, but it's looking real nice. So yeah, I'm going to do a video on these, I think, guys, and see what they're like, because I'm dying to try them. If they're gel polishes or anything to go by, I think these are going to be really good polygels, you know. So yeah, they are Pine polygels. Ooh, I've finally got my pink acetone. Now these bottles, everyone's raving about these bottles. They are really good quality. They're from Amazon. They're little spray bottles, and apparently they dispense the perfect amount of spray. And then she's filled it up with the pink acetone and put me a really cool pink label on. Look at that label. I love that. That is going pride of place on my desk right now. Thank you, chick. Oh, this is another thing I've been dying to get as well. Now this is a pump bottle. I want to put some alcohol in there. These are great, you know, if you want to clean your brush off or clean the tacky layer off your nails. Love that. That's going pride of place on my desk as well. Love it. Thank you, chick. Ooh, look what we got here. Salted caramel hot chocolate. Ooh, I want that now. I want to try that right now. I love salted caramel. I can remember when she got these and she was reading the flavours out to me. That was a long time ago as well, chick. I can't believe you remember that. That was a long, long time ago. And I said, oh, salted caramel, I love it. And she's remembered, bless her. Thank you so much. Then we've got, oh yeah, she told me about these. These little bits and pieces come in this pine polygel kit, what she's got. Inside the kit you get little bits like this, little metal chains, metal embellishments. There's quite a few different things that you get in these kits. I want to start using a lot of these sort of things. I really like them. Love them. Oh, and I finally got some whitewood backing. Now this, I want this for my pictures. I know Aggie uses this in her pictures as a background, and it's just it's like a vinyl covering stuff where you can cover books with, you can cover anything with it, tables, anything. But yeah, I want it to take pictures on. And she's been saying about sending me this for ages and forgot to send it in the last one, so I finally got my hands on it. Thank you. Oh, look at these. Look at those Fendi charms. They are gorgeous. They are so pretty. Oh, I love them. Oh, and look at this shell one. Look at the detail on the starfish. Oh, please show it, please. Just, can you see that detail? Look at that, gorgeous. I don't know what colour that crystal is, but it is stunning. It's got like a green shift to it. That is really, really pretty. Really like that. Then we got some more charms. I love these. I haven't got any of these. I really like these. They're really cool, aren't they? And then these are little spacemen with pearl heads. Can you see that? Let me get one out to show you. Look at them, look. How cute are they? It's a little spaceman with a pearl head, and he's got a star in his hand, look. How cute is that? They're really unusual. I really like them. Oh, thank you so much. And then last but not least, she has sent me the Liaboe 23-piece gel polish kit. 23 gel polishes, guys. Look at all these. I can't wait to try these. She said they're really opaque as well. Oh, look at that. That's looking more red on camera, but it's not. It's actually a really hot neon orange. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. I'm not going to open all these today, but I will do a video on these guys, swatching them. That's a red. Even though that looks pink on camera, it's actually a pillar box red. Yeah, I'll do a swatch video on these guys because these are available to buy still on Amazon. So I shall do a swatch video on them and we'll take a look at them and see what they're like. Because I think they're a really good price from what I remember Aggie's saying. So yeah, I shall do a swatch video on them and see what they're like. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I want to say a massive thank you to Aggie for sending me all of these goodies. Can't wait to try this polygel. I'm definitely trying that today. I'm going to start getting some decent pictures with this background. And I can't wait to use these decals as well. Thank you so much, chick. Love everything. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.